Hey guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to make garlic or Poondu Rasam. This is actually a very simple and easy rasam and it's very flavorsome with the garlic and spicy also. Now let's see how to make it. Adding oil in a pan. To the oil, I'm adding some mustard seeds, jeera, asafoetida, loads of curry leaves, next I'm adding crushed peppercorns. Next, the main ingredient, loads of crushed garlic with skin. Adds a lot of flavor to the rasam. So let these two cook well. So I'm going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to add tomato. I'm so sorry, I thought it was recording but it was not. I added a few ingredients. I added a little bit of cooked Toor Dal, I added coriander leaves with stems and obviously some salt and some Sambar Powder. Next I'm adding dry red chillies, which I should have added in the oil, I totally forgot. Next I'm adding water. Actually a lot of water is added to rasam, because it has to be a thin texture. So this is the time to check the spices, if it has salt and spice to it. So yes, basically this has to come to a nice boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rasam is done. You can see how easy and simple this is. So yes guys, Poondu or garlic rasam is ready and this actually you can store it for a week in the fridge. See you guys, I will see you guys in my next video and take care everyone. Bye bye.